We are in Croatia. Answer to give me was tell me what's popular, and she gave me one sweet, one salty. So we're gonna do taste test. You can see it's Bihili. It's a Bihili, but we're just taking a slow evening walk. I was walking past and I saw people having this and it looked so good. So it's gonna be good pasta. Terrible. Terrible matcha. Let's go and do what we came here to do.
Yeah, make a video. Nice.
It's here. Yes. Really like shawarma. Oh my gosh.
I have to inform you first, Masam, it's a tuna flakes.
Okay.
So it's actually a dried tuna, and then it was scraped, so that's why it's very thin on the top. So, but it actually adds flavor with your food.
Okay, thank you.
All right, enjoy.